pessimist, you know. I go, no, I'm excited. You know, I get sexually stimulated thinking about all the bargains that are going to be on the street. You know what I mean? It's going to be bargains everywhere. But everybody else, oh, you're pessimistic. No, I'm pessimistic.
In uncertain economic times, Robert Kiyosaki shares his insights on how to thrive and invest wisely. He emphasizes the importance of investing in tangible assets rather than relying on traditional savings. For those interested in learning more about investing, I've had a positive experience with Interactive Brokers. The link to their platform is in the first link of the video description. The world is facing a significant economic challenge. Many people feel anxious about their financial future. Understanding this crisis is essential. It can help you navigate the difficult times ahead. Robert Kiyosaki believes that knowledge is power. He urges individuals to take control of their finances. This is not just about survival. It is about finding opportunities amidst the chaos. Global downturn. Kiyosaki warns that we are in a global downturn. This situation is different from a recession. It is more severe and widespread. Many economies are struggling at once. This interconnectedness means that problems in one country can affect others. People often feel helpless in such times. Inflation is rising and real estate is collapsing. Layoffs are increasing and the job market is shrinking. These factors contribute to a sense of despair. However, Kiyosaki sees a silver lining. He believes there are ways to thrive despite the downturn. Recession is an enemy. A recession can feel like an enemy. It disrupts lives and livelihoods. Many lose their jobs or struggle to make ends meet. The impact can be devastating. Yet Kiyosaki insists that this does not have to be the end. Instead, it can be a turning point. He encourages people to view this period as a chance for growth. It is an opportunity to reassess financial habits. Those who adapt can emerge stronger. Investing in tangible assets is a key strategy. This mindset can shift the narrative from victimhood to empowerment. Government doesn't care about you. Kiyosaki has a stark view of government intervention. He believes that the government does not truly care about individuals. Promises made by authorities often go unfulfilled. Many people feel abandoned during tough times. This disillusionment can lead to frustration. Relying on government support is a gamble. Kiyosaki suggests taking charge of your financial destiny. It is crucial to become proactive rather than reactive. You must seek solutions that work for you, not waiting on the government. Waiting for the government to provide solutions is a mistake. Kiyosaki advocates for self-reliance. He encourages individuals to seek out opportunities. Taking action is vital. This may involve investing in gold, silver, or Bitcoin. These assets can provide a buffer against economic turmoil. They offer a sense of security. By diversifying investments, you can safeguard your financial future. The key is to remain vigilant and informed. US dollar crash. The US dollar faces significant threats. Kiyosaki warns of a potential crash. This could have far-reaching consequences. The dollar's decline could lead to a global financial crisis. It is crucial to understand the implications of such a scenario. Many people still trust the dollar. They believe it is a stable asset. However, Kiyosaki argues that this is a misconception. The dollar is losing value due to inflation and poor fiscal policies. Investing in alternatives can provide protection against this decline. After exploring various investment platforms, I found Interactive Brokers to be a good starting point, especially for beginners. Click the first link in the description for more information. As the dollar weakens, precious metals and cryptocurrencies may rise in value. This shift can create opportunities for those who are prepared. Kiyosaki's advice is clear. Take action now to secure your financial future. Global economic downturn. The global economic downturn is a reality that cannot be ignored. It affects everyone from the wealthy to the struggling. As economies falter, fear and uncertainty grow. Kiyosaki believes that this downturn will lead to widespread changes. It is essential to be aware of these shifts. In times like these, many people lose their jobs. They find it hard to make ends meet. The stress of financial insecurity can feel overwhelming. Yet, Kiyosaki sees this as a moment of opportunity. He encourages individuals to rethink their strategies. Investing in tangible assets can be a way to protect oneself. This downturn may seem daunting, however, those who adapt can find ways to thrive. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone looking to secure their future. Investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has emerged as a significant investment option during economic turmoil. Kiyosaki advocates for Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. He refers to it as people's money. This digital currency offers an alternative to traditional forms of saving. Many individuals are hesitant to invest in Bitcoin. They worry about its volatility. However, Kiyosaki sees its potential for growth. He believes that as the dollar weakens, Bitcoin's value will increase. This shift could create substantial wealth for early investors. Investing in Bitcoin requires a mindset shift. It is about embracing change and looking beyond conventional assets. Kiyosaki emphasizes the need for education in this area. Being informed can lead to better investment decisions. Why are prices of gold, silver, and Bitcoin rising? The rising prices of gold, silver, and Bitcoin reflect a growing distrust in fiat currencies. As inflation increases, people seek safer investments. Kiyosaki argues that bad debt is pushing the middle class into poverty. This financial strain drives individuals towards tangible assets. Gold and silver have long been considered safe havens. They hold intrinsic value that fiat currencies lack. Bitcoin, while newer, is gaining similar recognition. Its decentralized nature appeals to those wary of government control. The market dynamics are shifting. As more people invest in these assets, prices will continue to rise. This trend is a response to economic instability. Those who recognize this can position themselves for financial success. Time plays a crucial role in the financial landscape. Predictions can only go so far. Economic conditions are constantly changing. Kiyosaki suggests that the actions taken today will shape the future. Many people cling to the hope that the dollar will recover. However, the reality is more complex. The continual printing of money leads to devaluation. This trend will impact the dollar's stability. It is vital to stay aware of these developments. Ultimately, time will reveal the consequences of current policies. Those who invest wisely today may find themselves in a better position tomorrow. It is about being proactive rather than reactive. Today, not tomorrow. Today is the day to take action. Procrastination can be costly in a volatile economy. Kiyosaki emphasizes that your future is built on today's decisions. Waiting for the perfect moment can lead to missed opportunities. Investing in precious metals or cryptocurrencies should not be delayed. The time to act is now. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to start small. Even purchasing a single silver coin can be a step in the right direction. By making informed choices today, you set the groundwork for future success. The economic landscape may be uncertain, but your actions can create stability. Focus on what you can control and take charge of your financial destiny. Kiyosaki's insights provide a roadmap for those willing to adapt. The global downturn presents challenges but also opportunities. Investing in gold, silver, and Bitcoin can safeguard your financial future. Do not wait for the government or external forces to dictate your fate. Take charge of your financial journey today. The time to invest is now. Equip yourself with knowledge and make informed choices. Your future depends on it. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Brokers. Click the link to learn more.